Hey guys, this is Eric with Eric and Nikki, and today we're going to show you how to finish your rehab strong. Everybody usually knows how to start, but we're going to show you some of the things, there's some of the pitfalls that we've ran into on how to finish the rehab so the buyers will give you top dollar. As always, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, tell your friends. So the thing that we have found for finishing a property is that the exterior matters. Getting a final grade on the property, getting good landscaping, a fence if necessary, it is a very, very big important factor for finishing the rehab. To have a good, clean finish exterior. Curb appeal is everything. So when you have your property, make sure that you don't slack on the outside. As you can see with ours, we're getting ready to put a finish grade on everything, get everything done on the landscaping side and have it be crisp and clean. The other thing you want to make sure on the exterior is that all the touch-ups are done before final paint. So you want to make sure any scratches, dents, anything like that, any mud on the side, all that's taken care of. Again, your exterior is exceptionally important to make sure you're completely finished and show a good product when you're ready to list. Come on inside and I'll show you a couple more. All right guys, inside the house, there's a couple of things that you want to make sure that you always pay attention to. What we have seen is that when you get to the final stages, there's a lot of items. We've got tiles sitting on the ground. We've got lights getting ready to go in. We've got the floor covered to have finished paint. And there's a lot of different things and a lot of moving parts and pieces. The main number one category that I always tell people to figure out in the rehab at the end is make a punch list. Have a final punch list. What needs to be done? When does it need to be complete? Like for instance, in this house specifically, we still have the tile that has to go in before the plumbing. And then the plumbing goes in, and then the HVAC, and then we get our final plumbing, then final electrical. With doing all these moving parts and pieces, you really want to have a plan of action. And that's why a final punch list is very important. So come in, walk your property, create your punch list, give that to your contractor or your subs and make sure they follow it and check it off. It's very, very important for you guys to have that type of thing. Let me show you a couple more things throughout the house that I would say would be very important for you to know. One of the last and final things that I would tell you on how to make sure that you finish your rehab strong is go through and do what's called a blue tape walkthrough. Your house is completely done and you and your project manager are literally going to take blue tape and touch everything in the house that needs painting. Maybe there's an outlet missing, maybe there's an outlet cover missing, maybe there's some drywall that needs to be touched up, maybe there is some cabinets with a scuff, maybe you've got some tile that needs to be done. Whatever it is, always do a final blue tape walkthrough. It's just like a final grade on your yard. You're just walking through and make sure you're giving your best foot forward. The last thing that I would recommend that has nothing to do with necessarily the punch list is we always find value in staging our properties at the end. It usually costs us about $1,500 to $2,000, and we really find that it gives way more value than that. As you can see, this place is a mess, and we will show you some final photos on our Instagram, follow us here, of what this place is gonna look like. And you know what? It's already sold, which is even better. As always, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and keep following us.